There's two reasons why the water's dropping. One is because climate change reduces the coverage of ice, 70% down the last decade. And climate change doing that has 4 to 5 months more evaporation where there's no ice cover. So you have warm water, cold air blowing across, so a lot more evaporation is happening. That, the only thing we can do about that is a 2 or 3 generation effort around climate change. And that's not something most people can think about and envisage. It's something we had to do, but it's not something that it responds well to a campaign. The second thing is the dredging that happened in the St. Clair River around the time when the St. Lawrence Seaway was developed to try and allow ocean-going vessels to come up. And that increased the conveyance of water, so more water traveling through faster.
It's like opening the tap faster.
It's like, it's like a slow leak. Because you have in the natural history of a lake some ups and downs. And people say, well, if the dredging happened way back then, why are we having the problem now? It's because after that, this continued to happen. But in the grand scheme of things, if the plug on the drain or the drain in the bathtub is slowly leaking, eventually it's going to show up. And when you when you include that,
guess what? We've got a slow leak.